Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find a chest on Blox Fruits game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The chest will spawn randomly around the map and you can find it guys to get rewards. And this is the chest. You just need to go to the chest and then you will earn rewards. For example, now I got 300 money. Okay, and it's right there. And the location will be random, guys. So you need to pay more attention to the chests. Okay, just look around the map like this. I think there are only 2 chests. And yeah, that's how you can find Chaz on Blox Fruits game of Roblox, guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.